factors and multiples. So friends, as you can see, here are 12 toffees in a single line. 1 into 12 is equal to 12. Here you can see those 12 toffees are put in 2 lines of 6 toffees. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Here 12 toffees are put in 3 lines of 4 toffees. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Now what you notice in these arrangements, the one thing is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the numbers which exactly divide 12. These numbers are called factors of 12. Thus, factors of a given number are the numbers which divide the given number without leaving any remainder. So friends, you will be eager to know the method of finding the factors of a number. See, there are 2 methods of finding the factors. Multiplication method. Here the number whose factors are to be determined is written as product of 2 numbers. Then each number in every product is the factor of that number. For example, let's find the factors of 108. 1 into 108 is equal to 108. 2 into 54 is equal to 108. 3 into 36 is equal to 108. 4 into 27 is equal to 108. 6 into 18 is equal to 108. 9 into 12 is equal to 108. Thus, the factors of 108 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 27, 36, 54 and 108. Division method. We can also find factors of a number by division. Here number is divided by those different numbers which divide that number completely. For example, factors of 24. 24 divided by 1 is equal to 24. 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. Thus, the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. 24, 12, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. In this way, we conclude that when a number divides another number completely, then divisor is the factor of the dividend. Let me tell you about common factor and highest common factor. A number is said to be a common factor of 2 or more numbers if it is a factor of each of the given numbers. For example, common factors of 8 and 12, 8 can be written as 1 into 8 is equal to 8, 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. 12 can be written as 1 into 12 is equal to 12, 2 into 6 is equal to 12, 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Here common factors of 8 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4. That means these numbers divide 8 and 12 both completely. Highest common factor, HCF, of the given numbers is the largest number that divides each of them exactly. The full form of HCF is highest common factor. For example, HCF of 8 and 12, factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. You have seen that the common factors of 8 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4. The highest among the common factors is 4. Hence, HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. Friends, do you know about prime and composite numbers? A counting number having exactly two factors, 1 and itself, is known as prime number. That means only 1 and the number itself can completely divide the given number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. are prime numbers. A counting number having more than two factors is known as composite number. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, etc. are composite numbers. So, do you get the concept of prime numbers? It will be very interesting for you to know that any whole number can be expressed as the product of prime factors. This is known as prime factorization. For example, the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Here the prime numbers are 2 and 3. Now let's try to represent the number 24 as the product of 2 and 3. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This will be the prime factorization of 24. Hoping that now you can do the prime factorization. When a number divides another number exactly, then the dividend is called a multiple of the divisor. For example, 8 divides 32 exactly. So 32 is a multiple of 8. As you know, that 7 into 8 is equal to 56. So 56 is a multiple of 7 and 8 both. The multiples of a number are found by taking the product of that number by any other number. For example, 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 5, 10, 15 and 20 are the multiples of 5. A number is said to be a common multiple of two or more numbers if it is a multiple of each of the given number. For example, the first two common multiples of 8 and 10. Multiple of 8 is equal to 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Multiple of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Thus, the first two common multiples of 8 and 10 are 40 and 80. The LCM of given numbers is the smallest common multiple of those numbers. The full form of LCM is least common multiple. For example, the LCM of 8 and 10. As you have seen that the first two multiples of 8 and 10 are 40 and 80. Clearly, 40 is the smallest common multiple of 8 and 10. So the LCM of 8 and 10 is 40. Friends, now I am going to tell you about some divisibility rules. Divisibility rules are a technique to test whether a number is completely divisible by another number without actually dividing. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. For example, 16, 232, 350, 58, etc. Divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. If the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. For example, 69 is divisible by 3 as 6 plus 9 is equal to 15, which is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its last digit is 0 or 5. For example, 30 and 545 are divisible by 5. Divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its last digit is 0. For example, 60 and 450 are divisible by 10. Do you get this? So friends, today we learnt about factors, common and highest common factors, multiples, common and least common multiples, prime numbers and prime factorization and divisibility technique.